Being young is equal to being at the peak of everything. 'Tis the time when the whole world is at your feet, and opportunities and possibilities await just for you to take your pick. So why should you settle for something that is less than what you actually deserve? Now there is absolutely no more excuse for you to be content with whatever new thing that comes your way, especially when it comes to your choice of green tea. With the myriad of choices when it comes to green tea drinks, how can you tell which one is the best? Is it the ingredients, the flavors, or both? Green tea has always been known to have the basic benefits of cleansing and healing the body. And honey, known to be a natural energy booster, helps keep the body and mind alert. Green tea leaves, especially when expertly brewed, results into a tea drink fit for a king. And when it is perfectly fused with the pure goodness of honey, makes one refreshing and delicious green tea drink. And if there is one product that combines the best of green tea and honey, there's nothing else but Real Leaf Green Tea. Only Real Leaf Green Tea has the deliciously refreshing qualities of green tea and the natural goodness of honey. All these coupled with the mouth-watering and delicious flavors of honey apple, honey lemon, and honey lychee. What more can you ask from your green tea? Plus, with the natural benefits that green tea and honey bring, you can be alert, alive, and deliciously revived to make the best of every moment in your life. So, how do you choose your green teas? It's the one with the delectable mix of expertly brewed green tea, natural goodness of honey, the burst of succulent flavors of honey apple, honey lemon, and honey lychee. All these fused in one heavenly green tea drink that is deliciously reviving. So, choose the ideal green tea drink that fits you to a T. Real Leaf Green Tea. Real tea, real honey. What your green tea could be.